Yo, what up? Food and drink review number 120. I'm going to be reviewing Cinnamon Toast Crunch. 25% less sugar in there. Found this in the, cabinet. Nutrition facts. For one bowl, 110 calories. Calories from fat, 25. 3 grams of total fat. Saturated fat 0.5 grams. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 0 mg. Sodium 160 milligrams. Potassium 45 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 22 grams. Dietary fiber 3 grams. Sugar 6 grams. Protein 1 gram. I'm getting my light ready. Okay. So you guys can see me. Really, Skype? Sorry, Skype just bugged. Yeah, thanks, Skype. God, Skype has been so rude lately. Oh my god. Skype, you really had a bug? That was disrespect. Try calling him. Yo, what up? Looks like he answered right away. Okay. Sorry, Skype just had a bug for some stupid reason. Because Skype is being really rude. Duncan Burden tried calling me. Would you like to add him to the call? Would you like to add Duncan to the call? Yeah. Okay. Mmm. Pretty tasty. Tastes like, lots of cinnamon. Smells kind of like cinnamon, too. But what do you have to say about Cinnamon Toast Crunch? What? Hmm? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Overall, 9 out of 10. Pretty close to a 10. See you guys in my next review. See you guys.